Hi there, students. I've noticed that all students know the word easy. Easy, that's easy. But almost nobody ever uses the word ease. So, easy is the adjective, but ease, a noun, or ease, a verb, to ease off as well as a phrasal verb. So, ease has lots and lots of different uses. So firstly, to ease as a verb, to make less painful, to make less severe, to make less difficult, to make less painful, to make something less unpleasant. So, if you take a couple of aspirin, they will ease your headache. The government have spent a lot of money to ease overcrowding in prisons, to ease the problem of overcrowding. Okay, to make less severe, to make less intense, to make less bad. The negotiators tried to ease tension between the two different sides. The traffic normally at 6 o'clock is very bad, but by about 6:30 or 6:45 it begins to ease, to become less severe, to become less problematic. After the bombing in the Second World War, there was a huge housing crisis in the UK, and the government built all sorts of prefabricated buildings in order to ease the housing crisis, to make it less severe, to make it less problematic. Okay, to ease, to move something slowly in a particular direction. So he eased the car into the tiny parking space. They eased the patient into the bed. So to move something slowly and surely into a particular position. He eased the final brick into place. I eased myself from my sitting position. Okay, ease as a noun, as in not difficult. So ease, something that doesn't need a lot of effort, it's not difficult. So I came first in the competition with ease. I passed the exam with ease. All of you listening are going to be able to pass the first certificate with ease. And for ease of, so they widened the doors for ease of access. They put ramps on the building for ease of access for wheelchairs. Okay, ease, being comfortable, being relaxed, but being free from worry or free from pain. So he lives a life of great comfort and ease. Yeah, he is always at ease. So at your ease, relaxed. Are you at ease when speaking English, or are you very tense and worried? You need to be at ease when you speak English. At your ease. Okay, so to put someone at their ease, to make them feel relaxed. They felt completely at ease. Soldiers as well, they stand to attention and they stand at ease, relaxed. Okay, so to make less painful, the doctor gave me some pills to ease the pain. They spent some money to ease the problem. And then to move something slowly, I eased my way through the crowded room. Ease, free, without pain, without effort, without difficulty. To feel at ease, you're relaxed. So to ease the burden, to ease the pressure, to ease a problem. The price of oil was very high, but then it began to ease. The tension began to ease. The pressure began to ease. The interest rates increased, and then finally they eased. They became less. They moved down to a better level. Okay, so something that doesn't involve effort. This is for ease of use. Okay, to do something with ease. I managed to do it with ease. Okay, so there are lots and lots of different ways of using it. Ease. Okay, the ease of a particular activity. You're saying it's not difficult. For ease of reference, for ease of use of the camera, it's straightforward, it's simple. Ease, you're comfortable, a life of ease, a life of luxury. To ease, to reduce the intensity, to reduce the speed. Tensions had eased. The heavy rain began to ease. Some whiskey would help ease the pain. To relieve, to moderate, to soothe. I eased my way through the crowd, to move slowly, to move with difficulty. And then I guess to ease up, to ease off, to slowly decrease, to slowly get less. Wow, that's a lot of uses. I think all of these uses I've given with ease, I'm going to give a 5 in formality. I would say use ease just about anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Middle English word ease or ease or ice, and then maybe it comes from Old French, ease or ice, opportunity. But well, maybe you can add to that. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ease.